Melt the margarine, add in the flour and let it roast for 2 minutes. Add a cup of the milk. When the mixture absorbs the milk, add the next dose until you finish with all the milk. Add the salt, sugar and cocoa and stir. Bring to a boil and stir for 1 to 2 minutes after it comes to a boil and starts to thicken. Remove from the heat, cover with plastic wrap and wait for 2 hours to come to room temperature. You can make them vanilla flavored by not putting in the cocoa. Divide the mixture into 6 popsicle molds or put it in plastic cups. Put a day in the freezer to set. Once frozen, warm them up with your hands or dip them in some hot water and then unmold them. If you liked the video, press like and subscribe to my channel. Find the recipe link in the description below.